making something that is really, really delicious. We are going to be making French dip subs. So to all my amazing viewers, I want to thank you for following me on my journey. It means the world to me that you continue to join me in the kitchen. So with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and our aprons and let's make French dip subs. For our French dip beef po' boys, we're going to need beef chuck roast, salt, pepper, olive oil, onion, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, au jus gravy packet, and beef broth. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So we have some olive oil that's been heated up over a medium-high heat. And so to this, we are going to add in our beef roast. And we are going to sear this about 3 to 5 minutes per side. So our roast is seared for 3 to 5 minutes on all sides. Now we're going to remove this and place this in our crock pot and start with our French dip sauce. So we have our beef broth, which is heating up over a medium-low. And to this, we are going to add in our garlic, mix, our Worcestershire sauce, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my au jus gravy mix. Give that a stir, get that all fully mixed in. And then the clumps we're going to take care of. And then we're going to add in our onion. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes or so. And then we are going to pour this over our roast, which is in our crock pot. So our roast is in our crock pot. And so to this, we are going to be pouring in our au jus mix with our onions and garlic. And we're going to make sure that's completely covered. And now we're going to throw a lid on our crock pot and we're going to cook this on low for either 6 to 8 hours, on high for 3 to 4 hours. So our roast has been cooking for a good, I'd say a good 4 hours. And so now it's fully tender, and as you can see, we can shred it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to shred this up and we're going to remove any bits of fat. And then we're going to return this back to the gravy and then start building our sub sandwiches. So our beef is all shredded and ready to go. And what I've done is I've taken my sub bun and I have toasted it. And so we are going to add some mayo to the bottom. And it's still warm. Perfect. So now we are going to add some of our beef and onions. This is so good. All right, so now we got that out of the way. And we're going to throw a couple of slices of provolone on here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the oven for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to have us a French dip sub. So I toasted my sub for a couple of minutes in the oven on broil, and to the top of my bun, I added a little bit of Dijon mustard just for that little vinegary kick. So now we're going to give this a cut. And a bite. Oh my God, this looks so good. Yes, it is really good. Meat is totally tender, juicy, and I'm just making a mess everywhere. So I really do hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. And as always, I want to thank everybody for watching. And for any of my new viewers, Remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button and hit that notification bell. So until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen, and I'm going to finish off this stuff.